With this you will track the Forbidden Five very easily. Thanks, Hazador. Now I must go to the city. You make sure that my dragon cores are safe. We are ready now, Jordana. Are we sure that the ninja have reached the wilderness? Yes, we are. Soon the city will be ours. Lloyd, you have failed us. Okay, we should go. Where is Sora? Yes, his last signal came from Dungeons of the Skull Sorcerer. Pretty interesting. You know, we need help, and we can't count on the ninjas anymore. Do not worry, they will come for us. You ninja have disappointed me for the last time. This time, I won't need failure. This time, I will choose my own destiny. Wolf warriors, destroy them! Oh. Goodbye, ninja. See you again. Ninja, go! Yeah! Nia, see! The ninja! We are welcome to see you again. Sis, I'm so happy to see you. I'm happy too, brother. Yeah! Thanks, Sora. That's what friends do. So, those are the Dragon Cores. Yes, they seem very powerful. Very powerful indeed. We need to destroy them, but how? They are distracted only by elemental powers. Ha! Very good. We have a lot of them. Should I call Lloyd? Skull Sorcerer! Haha, Ninja. You feel that you are the right ones, don't you? I'm here to tell you that you are not right. You know, I helped the Forbidden Five. I helped them in the war against the Source Dragons. The war did to destroy all of the human beings. We stood against that. When your friend's mother came, Lily, Elemental Master of Earth, came, and she used the power of deliverance to destroy us all. I feel that it's time now to take revenge on the newer generation. How dare you! I will make you pay. Ninja, go! No! No! You might win this battle, but not the war. Ras is in the crossroads. He's about to destroy everything. You can do nothing to stop it. So, what are we doing now? I feel that we can do nothing now.